U.S. Treasuries took that.
Listen up, rebels. Rebel Leader here. By now, if you've watched all the previous videos, you should have graduated from the Bootstraps Bootcamp. You should have a good understanding of what the stock market is, and even better, you should be in the stock market yourself, because experience is the best learning strategy. So now that you understand the very bare minimum and the basics, and you have some skin in the game, the next thing that I want to teach you guys is something called the Rebel Mindset. This is going to be how you should approach all of your stock picks, approach your investing strategy, and your overall money management. And so I've taken all the best tools from psychology, from my own past experience, and from things I've learned from much more experienced investors than myself, what they have done to be successful. And the twist being that anybody can do it if you commit. Sometimes it's okay to be a rebel knowing that you are not alone. Now, the first thing I want to tell you about the rebel mindset is that you have to be patiently aggressive. That means do not count your successes based on a week, on 2 weeks, or even 1 year. I want you guys to start thinking long term. A single home run or a single double up in any single stock, be a 100% gain, is great for the short term. But overall, it doesn't really mean much because you're in that stock for the next 5 to 10 years. You don't want to double up your money, you want multiples of that double. Second part of the rebel mindset is doing whatever it takes. Now, this is the question for you guys. Are you willing to do whatever it takes? Are you willing to pick up an extra shift at your day job, or get another side job or a second job to supplement your income? Can you not care what anybody else thinks? Can you move back home and live in your parents' basement knowing that you're saving money on rent? Can you start buying groceries and start cooking at home? Can you save money aggressively? And you don't have to start big with all these things. You can start small, and it really takes discipline. But even more than discipline, it takes commitment, because that is how you really see change. And the third and last part of the rebel mindset is to make sure that whatever you do, not only is your focus on it, but also your passion is in whatever you do. And I'm not talking hobbies, I'm talking make sure the things that might seem menial, like researching companies, checking the stock market. You don't have to check it every day, but once a week. Make sure that you're being not only patiently aggressive, but you're being passionate in the things that you're doing and the moves that you're making, because then you always end out on top. And you already will end out on top because you're watching this channel, because you're taking it seriously, because you're in the stock market. Whatever stock you might be choosing, over time it will grow your wealth. Alright, rebels, going forward I want to delve a little deeper into a new aspect of the rebel mindset and taking this mindset into action in things in money management and also investing and personal finance. So every Friday I want to keep talking about the rebel mindset. Stay frosty, rebels. Rebel Leader, over and out.